Good morning, madam. Checking out today?
Yes, please. Room 412.
Let me access your folio. Miss Ramirez, you were with us for 5 nights. Is that correct?
Yes. Arriving Sunday and leaving today.
Perfect. During your stay, did you use anything from the minibar?
Actually, yes. I took a soda and some nuts on Tuesday evening.
Noted. That's one cola and a pack of almonds, totaling $15.
Fine. That sounds accurate.
Any room service orders or restaurant charges to the room?
No room service, but I had breakfast in the hotel cafe twice and signed it to the room.
Yes, 2 continental breakfasts at $18 each. That's $36.
Okay.
Did you make any calls from the in-room phone?
No, everything was on my mobile.
Great. Your nightly rate was $150. So 5 nights come to $750. Minibar, $15. Breakfast, $36. We also have a daily amenity fee of $25 per night for access to the spa, parking, and high-speed internet.
Amenity fee? I wasn't informed about that at check-in.
My apologies, ma'am. It's a standard charge here, and it's usually mentioned during registration and on the booking confirmation. I can waive part of it if you'd like, as a courtesy.
That would be appreciated. How much can you adjust?
I'll reduce the amenity fee by 50%. So instead of $125, it'll be $62.50.
Thank you. That's better.
Additionally, there's the local tourism tax of 12%, which applies to the room and fees subtotal.
All right. What's the new total?
Subtotal $750 room, plus $15 minibar, plus $36 breakfast, plus $62.50 amenity equals $863.50. Tax at 12% is about $103.62. Grand total, $967.12.
Higher than anticipated, but okay.
Would you like a detailed breakdown printed?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Payment method?
Visa credit card.
Please swipe or insert. Approved. Signing complete.
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing our hotel, Miss Ramirez. Your receipt is here, and I've emailed a copy as well. We hope to welcome you back soon.
The stay was pleasant overall.
Safe journey home.
Goodbye.